Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData app. You will click on settings. As you see, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will search about the application of UltData and you will click in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then you will enter you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.